I think they're pissed off. Hey there, just got to Seahurst Park. It's a bit windy today. Yeah, just a bit of a breeze coming out of the north. Hope it doesn't pick up over the course of the day. We'll see. It's gonna be rocking and rolling a little bit though, just catching that wake on the It's never easy getting in the kayak when you get hit by chop. Oh boy, here we go. What is the day gonna be like? There's a nice shoreline over here. Not too shabby. This is amazing right here. Just shows you what kind of habitat can be formed from unarmored banks with vegetation. Really cool. Lots of complexity. And I can imagine a Puget Sound shoreline in some areas where, you know, this was the norm. There was madrona and cedar and all kinds of trees just littering the shoreline and available for use by juvenile fish in the nearshore habitat to hide from predators and supply nutrients and be anchors for all kinds of mussels. And yeah, really cool spot right here. Loving this. Those breakers up there. Holy shit. Big waves coming in. Big waves coming in. These are from that ship that went by a little while ago. I want to get one of these puppies breaking on you. Baby seal, sunning himself. Get too close. I don't know if that's a baby or not, but it's definitely a harbor seal. Looks like a young one. Camera on the point here, and wow, there's Mount Rainier. Big and bold. I love it. Just beautiful. Hopefully, we're gonna get a little reprieve as we make our way around this point from all that chop. Check out the difference though. Oh my god. Unbelievable what a little bit of blockage of the wind will do. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing? What are you guys looking for, crabs?
Yeah, we got a bunch.
Oh, nice.
We got a whole bunch of them.
Excellent.
Jellyfish over there.
Fun. Beautiful day.
Got my sis in this house? Do you live here?
No, I'm just mapping the nearshore Puget Sound with cameras.
Nice!
Like Street View.
I love that.
Yeah. noticed. This is the second fairly large flock of birds to come across so far. And I see crows, and I see Canadian geese, and I see seagulls. I've seen. That's the first heron I've seen in a while.